Hi everyone, it's Alex from Risk Academy. I don't know why and how, but people keep asking me which one is better, ISO 31000 or COSO ERM, and my answer is still the same. They're both useless pieces of marketing junk for actual implementation, integration of risk management, but they're both extremely helpful in marketing risk management internally and externally to the stakeholders, claiming that whatever you do is aligned with both standards and it is therefore best practice. You have to keep in mind the history. COSO is written by PwC and a selection of retired and current risk managers. ISO 31000 is written by mainly bureaucrats, academics, and a very minor percentage of actual risk managers in the technical committee 262. So none of them are even close to being best practice. The authors wouldn't even recognize best practice if they saw it, because they have no grasp of what good risk management looks like. So be very careful when you're trying to base your approach to integration, to implementation of risk management on those standards. They are, and I've said this many times, they are marketing brochures that you would find in the doctor's reception. So you wouldn't learn to be a doctor by reading marketing brochures. You would study biology, anatomy, chemistry, physics, maybe. I don't know. I haven't studied to be a doctor. I studied to be a risk manager, ironically, and a statistician. And you would basically study, the point I'm trying to make, you would study the underlying science, like the same way like you would do to become a good risk manager. You would study decision science, probability theory, neuroscience, and your industry, whatever industry you're working on, because you need to understand how business processes operate, how the products are made, how decisions are made. And corporate finance also is very important to understand how cash flows interact, how you can integrate, how to build a financial model basically, and how to integrate uncertainty into those financial models. So which one is better? They are literally the same pieces of junk. ISO, in that sense, like if you agree with the first principle that they're pieces of junk, then of course ISO is a better piece of junk because it's shorter. It's only 17 pages. COSO is 257, I think, pages, which I've read every single one of them, and did a very in-depth article and video review of my observations. They are approximately the same in messages, and those messages have nothing to do with best practice risk management. They're just outdated thinking around what some individuals who are pretty disconnected from the actual risk management consider risk management. So don't waste your time. Don't take it too seriously. Obviously claim that whatever your organization does complies with both, but don't take it too seriously. These are not real important guidelines for risk management implementations. They are literally just marketing brochures. Thank you. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.